Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving deep into the world of data structures and algorithms. Specifically, we'll be demystifying a crucial concept: time complexity and its notation, big O. Imagine you're writing a program. It's not just about getting it to work, it's about making it efficient. Time complexity measures how the runtime of an algorithm increases as the input size grows. And big O notation? Well, it's a language to describe this growth rate. Let's break it down with an example everyone can relate to. Searching for a name in a phone book? If I want to find a name, I could start from the beginning and flip through each page until I find it. This is like a linear search, which has a time complexity of O(n), where n is the number of entries. Now, what if the phone book was sorted alphabetically? I could use a binary search instead. I open the book in the middle, decide whether to search left or right, and repeat until I find the name. This is much faster, with a time complexity of O log n. But here's the kicker. Even though binary search is faster, it only works on sorted data. So the choice of algorithm depends on the problem and the data at hand. Let's visualize this with some code. Here's a linear search algorithm in Python. As you can see, for each element in the list, we're checking if it matches the target. If it does, we return its index. If not, we move to the next element. This means the runtime grows linearly with the size of the list. Now, let's contrast that with a binary search algorithm. With binary search, we're repeatedly dividing the list in half until we find the target. This drastically reduces the number of comparisons needed, resulting in a logarithmic growth in runtime. See the difference? That's the power of understanding time complexity and choosing the right algorithm for the job. And that's a wrap for today. Remember, whether you're coding or just curious about how things work under the hood, understanding time complexity and big O notation will level up your programming game. Thanks for watching and happy coding!